direct question from our recap. So direct ditto. Not really Ministry of Earth Science, direct question. I've already thought you also while discussing about recap, the ministries will be wrong. Now, Indian deep ocean mission which are correct. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪಟಪಟ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಓಷನ್ ಮಿಷನ್, ಮೈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್? ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೀಪ್ ಓಷನ್ ಮಿಷನ್ಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನ್ಸ್ or it should be under Ministry of Earth Sciences. We have discussed here. Ministry of Earth Sciences and a deep ocean mission Samudriyana project. One eliminate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We have discussed it to Z. It is while discussing about it is biodiversity. It is biodiversity or beyond. It is biodiversity beyond national jurisdiction. This year also I have discussed. This also I have discussed. What is territorial zone? What is we call it as contiguous zone. What is we call it exclusive economic zone? What is we call it as? What is majorly about are we call it as international zone or we call it as high seas? ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Yes or no? Done. It is if you eliminate the ministries, NIOT Matsya 6000 direct questions ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. It is which of the following statement are correct with regard to deep ocean mission are correct? Ministry and Matsya 6000 direct question. To carry out the 3 people from deep sea, nಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Samudriyana is a project under this mission, obviously yes. Deep ocean mission is also called as Samudriyana mission. Sir, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ Chandrayaan 3 success, our major project was inclined towards we call it as Samudriyaan. Chandrayaan ಹತ್ರ Samudriyana ಅಂತ. It's also called as deep ocean mission. Under this we have developed an equipment called as Matsya 6000. ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ NIOT ಅವರು ಯಾರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್.